Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restore PIN to your account on LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So if you forgot a PIN, there are two ways that you can restore it with. If you have a Microsoft account logged into your computer, then the first method that I'll show you in a while will help. But if you're using a local account, then I will tell you afterwards what to do. So the first thing you need to do is to press I forgot my PIN button. You might also have to click on it twice, but for me it worked the first attempt. Okay, and right now we'll have to log in into our Microsoft account. So just input your Microsoft account password. If you don't remember it, you'll have to restore the password separately. So let me just... Okay, I've entered my password. Let's sign in. And right now, whether you have, depending on whether you have your email or your phone number connected to your Microsoft account, you'll be able to receive a code on your email or on your phone. So just click on this button and wait for the code to reach your email or your phone. Okay, so I got mine, so let me just type it in and verify. Then press continue. Now let's set up a new PIN and make sure that you remember it this time. And then press OK. Okay, and Windows has brought us to the desktop. So, right now our PIN code is restored. But if you're using a local account, that's an entirely different story, because you'll either have to answer 3 questions that you made for yourself in order to receive the PIN, or if you don't remember the answers to those questions, you'll have to reinstall your Windows from USB, and we have a video on that on our YouTube channel. So if you're in a situation like this, go check it out. Otherwise, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.